And spirulina has a soft cell wall. And spirulina grows in a multi-cell fashion that makes it look like a spiral. And the outer part of spirulina is something we learned about earlier called glycogen. Glycogen is converted to ATP to help fuel your cells with instant energy. When you eat spirulina, your gastric juices break the glycogen wall off of the nutrients, and you immediately take it up into your cells and get that extra burst of energy, just as if you were taking something like creatine. Not only that, but when you dissolve the cell wall of spirulina, you release B12, B3, B6, B2, and those are all energizing B vitamins as well. But more importantly, the one thing I want you to know about spirulina is there is something called marine omega-3 fatty acids. Marine omega-3 fatty acids are the #1 thing that helps coat the myelin sheath of your nerve endings, which lead to multiple sclerosis when it gets eroded, that lead to Alzheimer's and Crohn's disease, and ultimately can cause other dramatic conditions in your life. And so the ability to reverse that condition is very, very important, and rebuilding the myelin sheath can only be done with high-quality marine omega-3 fatty acids. And where do you get this? Well, you get them from salmon. But what if the fat in the salmon is toxic because our oceans are toxic and the salmon eat that plasticized material? Well, spirulina is grown in controlled tanks, not in the ocean. Unlike, salmon, and you're going to get the exact same fat. Stop and think about this. The only place in nature that you can get an animal fat, marine omega-3 fatty acids, is from spirulina, a vegan source of that. And so perhaps the favorite thing, the most important thing about spirulina to me isn't the fact that it's 65% pure vegan protein and it's just as good as meat. It isn't the fact that it's loaded with B1, B2, B3, B6, B12 in a non-analog fashion enough to fill your body. It's not any of that. What excites me the most about spirulina is that you get marine omega-3 fatty acids from a vegetarian source. And that's going to fuel your brain. It's going to protect your body. It's going to beautify your skin. It's going to help your organs. It's going to balance your hormones. Marine omega-3 fatty acids are so important in our lives, and the only way to get them is to eat salmon or spirulina. And if you're a vegan, if you're worried about farmed salmon or things like that, and you don't eat salmon every day, you can't have spirulina every day. So there's a big